Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments help, exam help, quizzes help, for complete course help on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Nursing, Web Development, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown in the bottom of the screen and given in the description. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. We will deal for this course with A plus grade. And I will handle your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, all assignments project, and final exam with A plus grade. The question number one of this exam is that create a new database using the blank database template. Okay, save the database in the document folder using the name A02 warranty. Okay, blank database, click on blank database, and then we will save the document in the save the database in the document folder using the name A02 warranty. Click on create button. One second. File name is A02 warranty, and then click on OK button. A02 warranty, WARRANTY. Okay, misspelled, really sorry. Then we'll click on OK button, click on create button. Create a field in the second column of the table using short text as the data type and technical ID as the field name. Okay, create a field in the second column of the table using short text as the data type and technical ID as the field name. Basically, in this question, we will have to create a new field. The new field name is technical ID and the data type of this field is short text. Okay, we will have to add a new field. Right click on this and the new field is technical ID. TECHINICAL ID. Save the table using the name technicians. Right click on this table one. Click on save button. We will save this table as technicians. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is that with the technician table open in design view, delete the LD field. Okay, we will select this LD field and then we will first we will open the technician table in design view. Okay, it's also open in design view. We will select this LD field and then simply delete this. Right click on this, click on OK button. Set the technician ID field as the primary key for the table. Click on technician ID field and then we will go to the design tab in the tools group. Click on primary key button. Okay, question is completed now. The next question is that modify the properties of the technician ID field by changing the field size to 4. Press enter. Modify the properties of the technician ID field. We will click on technician ID field. So we will go to the field size property box and then we will set this field size to 4. Change the caption property of the last name field to tag last name. Press enter. Okay, so we will change the caption property of the last name field. We will click on the last name field and then we will go to the caption property box. Click on the last name field and then go to the caption property box and then we will type tag last name. So we will type here tag last name. then press enter. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 4. In design view, add a new field after the first name field using the name pay rate and press tab. Okay. Okay. You can see here in design view, add a new field after the first name field using the name pay rate and then press tab. We will open in design. It's also open in design view. This table is also open in design view. Technician table is also open in design view. Now we will have to add a new field after the first name. You can see here I am going to add a new field. Is the field name is pay rate, then press tab. Change the data type of the period field to number and then press tab. We will change the data type of period field to number. We will click right click on this arrow. We will select number. You can see data type of period field is changed to number now. Then press tab. The question is completed now. The next question of this exam is view the technician table and design view. We will right click on this technician table and then we will click on data sheet view. Enter 75 as the pay rate for the first record in the table and then press enter. Okay, pay rate. Enter 75 as the pay rate for the first record in the table. We will see this is the first record of the table and then we will enter 75 as the pay rate. We will type 75 is here. Then press enter. The question is completed now. The next question is question number 6. Begin the process to import the Excel workbook A02 repair XLS from the document folder as a new table in the database. Begin to process to import the Excel workbook. Go to the external data tab. In the important link group, click on new data source button from file and from Excel file. Now we will click on browse button and then we will import this file which I have downloaded from PSN website. You I have also downloaded this file and you will select this file where you saved in your PC folder. Okay, the file Excel workbook is A02 repair XLS. We will select this file and then click on open button for the new table in the database. Okay, click on OK button. With the first row contain column heading, checkbox selected. Okay. Then click next button. Modify the field option of the already field so that it is indexed with no duplicate and then click next. Index with no duplicate. No, yes, no duplicate, sorry. Index with no duplicate and then click OK. Set the already field as the primary key. Click next and then complete the wizard using the default table name. Do not save the import step. Okay, we will select choose my own primary key checkbox already field and then click on the next and then do not save and close step. Do not save the import steps. Do not save the import step. Click on finish button and then close it. The question is completed now. The question number 7 is that begin the process to import the access database A02 customers ACCDB from the document folder as a new table in the database. Basically, this question we will have to import the database file, access database file A02 customers .accdb. We will go to the, you can read this question, go to the external data tab, external tab, external data tab in the import and links group. Click on new data source button from file, from database file, from access and then go to the browse. We will select our access file. You can see A02 customers accdb this file. We will select this file and then click on open button. Okay, click on OK. Select the customer table and then click OK. Do not save the import step. We will select customer table in this. Okay, select customer table and click OK. Do not save the import step. Do not save the import steps. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 8. With the repair table open in design view. Okay, with the repair table open in design view, change the RLD field name to repair LD and then press enter. Okay, we will right click on this repair table and then we will open this repair table in design view. Click on design view button. Okay. Now change the RLD field name to repair LD. Okay, we'll change this RLD field name to repair LD and then press enter. Repair LD and then press enter. Okay. You can see here I have changed the RLD field to repair LD field. Apply the default short date input mask to the repair date field. Okay. You can see here apply the default short date input mask to the repair ID field. Click on the repair ID field, go to the input mask, right click on this and then apply the default short. Okay, sorry, 1 second is we will click on this input mask. Now we will apply the default short. Please focus on my PC screen. Now I am going to do this question so well. We will click on the repair ID field and then we will click on the input mask box, right click on this and then must save table first, save now, yes, and then we will click on short date and then click on next button. Okay, we will click on finish it. Question is completed now. Okay, the next question is question number 9. Add a new record to the end of the repair table in the repair ID field. Type R0 10 in the repair date field. Type 5/13/2018 in the call received field. Type 5/10/2018 and press tab. Basically, in this question, we will have to add a new record in the end of the repairs table. We will go to the repair table, end of the repair table, and then we will have to add a new record. Okay, repair field type R1 R010. Repair field type we will have to add a new record as R010 and then repair date field type 5/13/2018. We will have to add a new record for repair date 5/13/2018. Okay, click on this repair date box and then we will have to add a new record is 5/13/2018. Okay, press enter and in the car received field type 5/10/2018 we will have to new record for in car received and then we will press tab. The question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 10. Begin create a relationship in the database by adding the customers, repair and technician table. Basically in this question we will have to create a relationship in the database by adding the customer, repair and technician table to the relationship window. Close the show table dialog box. We will go to the data table tools, create tab. Ready, sorry, 1 second. We will go to the data tables, tools in the relationship group, click on relationship button. And then we will have to add three table customer, repair and technician. Add, click on repairs, click on add button, click on technician, click on add button. This three table will be added. Create one-to-many relationship between the customer ID field in the customer table and the repair table begin show to enforce refresher integrity. Okay, customer ID field in the customer table in the repair table. Okay, customer ID we will have to create a many one to many relationship We will click on enforce refresh and integrity. Click on create button. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 10 question out of 18. It's mean I have done 65% to 70% of this exam in my video. If you do if you do not ever do this exam, and if you want this exam from me, I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. And I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.